Days after the United Kingdom reported a new strain of coronavirus, South Africa has identified a new variant which the country says is behind the recent spike in cases. South Africa's Minister of Health Zweli Mkhize said that the government convened a meeting to announce that there is a new variant of the coronavirus. The new variant has been termed as 501.V2. The health minister further said that the country has evidence which strongly suggests that the current second wave that is being witnessed in South Africa is driven by the new variant of the virus. South Africa recorded over 9,000 new cases and 184 deaths due to COVID-19 by December 19. South Africa has also recorded nearly 9 lakh cases, the highest number recorded by countries in the African continent. World's premier health agency, the World Health Organization, has contacted the South African researchers who reported the new variant of the virus. The premier health agency added that there was no indication that there were changes in the way the strain was behaving. WHO's epidemiologist Maria van Kerkhove has said that the team is working with the researchers and they are growing it in the labs to determine any changes in the behavior of the virus. Health authorities in South Africa have said that the new variant seems to spread faster than the previous variants, but it is too early to comment on its severity. While South Africa reported a new variant now, England has already announced a stay-at-home order for the residents of London and South East England to slow down the new strain identified in the country. The health authorities in England said that the new strain could be up to 70% more transmissible than the previous strain. England's Prime Minister Boris Johnson asked the residents to stay at home at least until December 30. The strict measures ordered by the Prime Minister mean that the residents cannot travel or meet their family during the Christmas holidays. Prime Minister Johnson took the harsh step after announcing last week that it would be inhumane to cancel Christmas by curbing family gatherings, although he urged people to celebrate responsibly. On 19 December, England reported over 27,000 new COVID-19 cases. In Wales, First Minister Mark Drakeford announced new restrictions from December 20 with the introduction of festive bubbles. Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon announced a travel ban on the other parts of UK for Christmas. People in Northern Ireland are all set to enter a new lockdown after Christmas. A new variant that is being identified in countries has now worried scientists as they are trying to understand if the current vaccines will work against the mutated strains.